How to fix printer printing error in Windows PC. So let's start. I will show you 3 easy way to fix your all printing error. Hopefully this will work. So first you need to clear the printing queues. Open the control panel, go to control panel and then click on hardware and sound like this, and here just click on devices and printer. You will get all your printer here like this. So double click on any printer, it will open the printer properties and you will see your number of printing document paused. As you can see, are in the queues. So a lot of document will be queues, that therefore your printer not allowed to any further printing. So for this, just click on the printer here and click on cancel all documents. So these are important things. So click on cancel all document, it will cancel all printing queues and let you print further document. So this is one thing. And if this not work, go with the other option here. Just go to run, press Ctrl R and type services.msc and OK. So it will open services, and here you need to find print spooling. Okay, here let me zoom in. Okay, print spooler. Just double click, or you can do the simple thing, right click here and click on stop. So it will stop all printing. And now just double click here or right click and then start. So stop and start the service. Okay, this is the second thing. And the third is, if you're still facing problem, go to your this PC like this, and here just paste this code. I have given this code in video description link, so hit enter. And if you have the continue, so click on continue, you will find a lot of printing option here. Right now I don't have, because I have cleared all this thing. So whatever you find here, just right click, select and delete all this thing. Yeah, so select all this thing and delete from this folder. Okay, and if you are still facing problem, you can do one more thing. Just right click on your this PC and go to manage and click on device manager, and here you will find printers. It will show you all installed printer. So it's better to update your printer drivers. Just right click on printer and click on update drivers. So hopefully this will fix. And the bonus tip is, check your printer cable and USB cable, power cable and USB cable is connected correctly to your desktop or laptop, and check the paper feeding and check the right cassette, all this thing to your printer. Hopefully this will fix.